Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a basic model of hose clamp in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Okay. Now go to 2D sketch and select the XY plane. From here select the circle command. From center point make a circle of dia 30. From same center point construct a circle of dia 29 mm. Okay, now finish sketch and go to extrude command. Select the profile between these two dia. Okay, we'll extrude it up to 10 mm and the extrude will be symmetric from this center point, 5 mm this side and 5 mm that side. And okay, now we want to make the cut profile. For that go to 2D sketch and open the origin, and from here we will select the exit plane. Now from here select the 2-point rectangle, make a rectangle profile over here. You can, so the rectangle is not visible, so go to view, from view style change the view to wireframe. Okay, now go back to sketch and go to dimensions, give this a width of 8 mm and this as 2 mm. Okay, now escape. Now you can see it's moving. To make it constrain, go to horizontal constraint or go to vertical constraint. We want to constrain it like this. Select the center point and select the center point of the rectangle. Okay, and to make it constrain over here, go to dimensions. From here give the dimension as 1 mm. Now the sketch is fully constrained. Now finish sketch and change the view. Go to view style and change back to shaded with edges. Okay, now go to 3D model and select the extrude. Extrude it outside the profile and make it a cut profile, so it will cut here. And okay, now we want to pattern this profile, so go to circular pattern, select this feature, say extrude to feature, and go to rotation axis and select this circular profile. Now it will ask you the number of counts or the number of pattern which you want. So the count will be of 22 and the filling angle will be 360 degree. Okay, now from here select the XY plane and go to create sketch. Now select the rectangle profile and make a rectangle over here. Go to dimensions, give this a width of 20 and height of rectangle will be of 10, and from bottom this will be at 12 mm. Okay, to make it constrain, go to vertical constraint, select the center point and select here the center point of the sketch. Okay, now this is fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch, go to home view. Now go to extrude command. Here we will extrude from symmetric extrude of 11 mm and okay. Now we will make this profile as round. You can see here this is a round profile. So go to fillet. Here take the radius of 5.5 mm. This will be half of 11. Select this edge and select this edge and apply. Now you can see this is a whole round. Now select this face and go to create sketch. From here select the circle profile. Select on this circle, it will show you the center point. Select the center point of the circle and make a dia of 8 mm and finish sketch. Go to extrude command and make an extrude of 1 mm and OK. Now select this same face and go to create sketch. Now from here go to polygon. The edges will be 6. Select the center point and make a polygon over here. Go to dimensions and give the outer dimension as 6.5 mm. OK. Now escape. Now you can see it is moving. So go to project geometry and select this circle. It will provide you the center point of the circle. So go to coincident, select the center point of the polygon and the center point of the circle. OK. Escape. Now go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select the center point. Now this is fully constrained sketch. Now finish sketch and go to extrude command. Here select this polygon profile and give a width of 4 and OK. Now you can define the color from here. Make it as, we will take light red. OK. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a hose clamp in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.